How to disable read receipts on WhatsApp. A quick guide. Are you tired of letting others know when you've read their messages? Today, I'll show you how to disable read receipts on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're running the latest version. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access settings. Then, choose Privacy from the list of options. Finally, toggle off the switch next to Read Receipts. That's it. And that's how you disable Read Receipts on WhatsApp. Remember, disabling Read Receipts means you won't be able to see when others have read your messages either. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.